Hello guys, this is Canon here. Today I have a world's biggest puzzle by using this one to look like that's the biggest puzzle. You may heard of the 13 by 13. That one is the Moyu 13 by 13 or Moyu Maylong 13 by 13. So, the 13 by 13 is my biggest cube in my collection, and I will be using this. We'll see. There it is, the biggest Rubik's Cube. Let's say the world's biggest cube. Looks like a world's biggest mass-produced cube. See. Whoa. Let's see. Wow. See the biggest Rubik's Cube. Looks like the 29. Looks like the 29. Or I call it the 29 by 29 Rubik's Cube by using that. So whoa. Alright, let's go put it in a checkerboard. Let's go put it in a checkerboard pattern. I'm not gonna do the whole. I'm gonna do the whole checkerboard pattern. Let's put it in the whole checkerboard pattern. Here we go. The 13 by 13, no, not the, 13 by 13, no, the 29 by 29 is put in a checkerboard pattern, or look like the world's biggest checkerboard pattern. Wow. What the, holy moly. Holy moly. Look at that. Look at that. It's a big checkerboard pattern. Alright. I'll put it back in its soft. I'm not gonna uncheckerboard in the full video. I'm gonna pause it and uncheckerboard it back to a normal cube. There we go. The cube's back to its solve position. And I'll do a super flip pattern. I'm not gonna do the whole super flip pattern by doing the turns. I'll pause it and I'll be right back. Go. The 29 by 29 is in a super flip pattern, looking like the world's biggest super flip pattern. If you want to see the if you want to see full video of me doing the super flip pattern on the 29 by 29, link The video link will be in the description. Also, stay tuned for it. Stay tuned until the last. So, we're putting it back to normal. So, well, I hope and enjoy this video. How it's made. How this one is made. I used the 13 by 13 and I used this, and I taped it up right there so you can see the big one. Well, I hope and enjoy this video. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.